Okay, May 2nd, going into day 13 of my live funded account with Topstep. So now I got 12 days complete. Now I'm up to 83% winning days. My first 2 days were losers. That's why I'm on a 10-day winning streak. And now this went from 63% finally to 65, slowly getting up there. Account high was $8,039. After those 2 losing days, it went all the way down to $3,800. And now I'm back to $6,411. So far, so good. So there's my stats. Slowly getting this account back on track after having a really bad start of 2 days to just disaster. And slowly getting it back. So all good. I won't be trading the evening session tonight. So the first trades up will be in the morning, or the normal regular trading hour session. So yeah, sorry, I'll bring the next trades to you. Okay, good morning, everybody. Just jumped into gold. To the short side here. All right, gold. Let's break it down and make a fast, easy winner. I already missed the first trade in gold. This is the second opportunity in gold. Hopefully, this will be a nice winner. The first one would have been a sweet winner, but I missed it. And now I'm in short on this one. So we'll see how this thing plays out. Okay, gold coming into the first target here. Starting to break a new low. Come on, gold, don't give up. You can do it. Okay, so I had a chance to get out with some contracts right here, and I didn't see it, so I didn't take it. So now it looks like I may be taking a loss. This looks okay. Here we go. So we did not speed. Oh yeah, we're in long now with 5 contracts. I don't have a stop in. Buy stop market. No, 5. Buy stop market.
Order submitted.
Okay, so I got 5 contracts in. Gold. Let's see if we can get pushed up through here. Recover the gold trade. A little bit much bigger loss than I had anticipated based on my screw up in my math, unfortunately. So it is what it is. I actually wanted to have 10 contracts so I could fully recover this without a big move, but I only ended up with 5, so I messed that up as well. So I'm making some mistakes this morning, traders. Maybe I shouldn't be trading this morning. Not good for my account. So I'm going to buy stop limit order.
Order submitted.
5 more contracts, but I'm going to let this get me in. Like if it wants to keep going down, might be late. I'm waiting for this candle to push a little lower, and then I'm going to start trailing 5 more contracts. See if I get the chance. All right.
Order filled.
All right, so now I got 10 contracts in, which is what I wanted to have in this trade. Buy stop
Order
market 5.
submitted.
All right, so I got 10 contracts in on gold, so this is going to be a nice recovery or an epic fail for the day, and then I'll have to slowly dig out of the hole. All right, there we go. So dropped 5 in there. So if it wants to back up, I'll take 5 off. It's fine.
Order filled.
Okay, so I got 5 out of that trade. So now I want to get the next 5 out once it gets into this purple line. Or at least start trailing them. Man, so green is right here. If it just broke above that, I'd be green on this trade. That would be awesome. I need to switch over to the 1-minute chart. Because I may have to jump out. Let's see what we're doing here. 1-minute chart. I'm going to move my stop up below this little red candle here. If it comes down and gets me out. Small red trade in gold. It is what it is. You know, even if it's $100 or $200, I can make that money back in the YM, which is setting up right now for a trade. Be nice if gold would get up here and get me out with some profit, so I don't have to juggle 2 things out at the same time. All right, gold. Let me go over to YM. You gonna stop me out? Got 30 seconds to jump over to the YM trade.
Order submitted.
No, that is not what we want to do.
Order canceled.
Okay, so I'm going to be out with gold. I'm going to trade YM in the micros because the risk is too high, unfortunately. 5, sell.
Order submitted.
All right, a little late getting in, but I'm in. The NQ, MNQ is setting up as well for a trade. All right, let's go over there. MNQ. What do we got? What do we got, MNQ?
Order filled.
All right, stop. Sell stop market.
Order submitted.
506. Whoa. We got news coming out I don't know about.
Order submitted.
Okay, got my speed bump in for NQ. I'm going to go back to MYM and put my speed bump in for it. I kind of already have one in, but NQ about to hit the
Order
stop.
filled.
Okay, that's NQ. I hate when NinjaTrader, when you switch charts, it doesn't automatically go right to your deal. I ain't got time for this, NinjaTrader. What are you doing, man? Put my stop in. Buy stop market. No, I need 3. Buy
Order
stop
submitted.
market. My stop, 461. Might be just a losing day today. Might be one of those days. Just have to accept it. Okay, so here I am back with YM, looking at the 5-minute chart, moving up nicely. It's going to run into some resistance here as it gets towards high of day. See if it wants to break through that. I wish I had more contracts. I'd be already out break even, plus a couple bucks. But either way, even if I took a loss right now on, I'll take a win on this trade, but took a loss on the day. Took a $170 red day. It's not a bad red day. It actually might help out because it would help improve my stats. My average losing day wouldn't say $2,000 anymore. It would be like maybe $1,000, $1,500. So not a bad deal. There's the consolation prize of a red day today is my stats will actually look better. The mistake I made in MYM is I didn't have enough contracts on my speed bump or I'd be recovered already and in the green. So I'm having some math issues today. Also, that one trade, I had way too many contracts early on, so
Order submitted.
that is not what I
Order
want.
canceled.
All right, so I'm out of MYM. So far on the account, down $220. So I'm down $220 as far as P&L goes. But remember, when you switch over to live, they no longer do the calculations for you between your account balance and cash hand, which used to be what P&L would show you. Now I have to do the math myself. So my day actually would be, so it'll actually be a $300 red day, which is fine. It's still smaller than my recent green days. But so right now it says I'm losing $220, but after commissions I'm actually losing $308, $309, somewhere in there. So a little bigger red day than I would like to have, but like I said, still improves my stats. It is what it is. I could get back in this trade if it wants to break above here and make a move higher, looking for a test of high of day, which actually might not be a bad idea. It jumped out because right now it's struggling, but if it wants to break out above, I could always get back in.
Order filled.
Okay, just jumped into the NASDAQ short. Setup just took place in the NASDAQ. So this could be a nice trade, either a short or if I have to speed bump it. Either way, it'll be good, I think. Okay, starting to get impatient with NQ. You can clearly see it's building a base. Hit that low there. And now it's working its way higher. I feel like I might need to take this trade off the table. It's not working, so need to look for an exit on this trade here. One of those days, traders feel like I'm working too hard today. What it also means, though, is tomorrow should be an easier day tomorrow, which will be nice. Last couple days were a little bit rough, so tomorrow should be a lot easier. Okay, about to get stopped out and speed bump for the NASDAQ, MNQ.
Order filled.
Okay, so now I'm long 6 contracts in MNQ. All right, gold's going to be a trade. Going to jump in gold, short 1 contract. Put my ATM, GC. Actually, no, sorry, I'm in the MGC. 3 contracts.
Order submitted.
Why? All right, 3 contracts short in gold. $158. Okay, MNQ. Man, hate that. Come on, Ninja. So MNQ, my position that's open right now is up $114. See if it wants to get through this first level. Looking at the 1 minute candles right here, just broke above this bump, making a new high. Higher highs and higher lows. How high will it go? Nice big green candle.
Order submitted.
Right. I gotta remember to take those ATMs off when I put stops in. All right, so I'm out of MNQ. So nice little recovery, $150 or so. I'm down on the day, $86 on MNQ. Right now, I am in the YM. If this closed, it would be down $150. In GC, it'd be down about, or gold MGC, it'd be down about $100. So about $250 is what I would be down. But because of commissions, I'm actually down $400 and something dollars. Because when you trade the micros, commissions is really high. So I can't stay in these micros too much longer. If I'm not taking enough winners, because the commissions is just too steep. So we'll see how gold plays out for me now. Hopefully gold will be good. Let's go look at gold. Crazy, right? It should be like a $200 red day, and I'm going to be down over 400 because of commissions. So when you're making your trade plan and you're deciding to trade micros instead of the minis, definitely factor in how commissions are going to affect your account. Let me go over to MYM. I'm getting close to risk. I'm going to short one more. Oh, I can't. Sell.
Order filled.
There we go. All right, added one more contract to YM since it's closer to risk. Let's go back to gold. No, MNQ. Gold.
Order submitted.
Okay, so I'm out of
Order canceled.
I'm out of the MYM. So that's too bad on MYM. Could have been, I could have cut my day in half. So it looks like I'm going to close MYM for the day down $128. MNQ down $86. So about $200 in the red right now. Only trade I got left is gold, which gold I'm currently looking to close that down a couple $100. But this trade's not over yet. I still got my speed bump in this trade. So this could be a bigger red day with gold if gold doesn't want to perform. But we'll see what it does. Okay, looks like I might get stopped out here in gold. Got my speed bump in, which should be a really nice trade to the upside if this stops me out. Just sitting kind of at a resistance area, so hopefully it gets through here in the gold fashion that it can do, which is a huge boost. All right, here we go.
Order submitted.
Okay, now I'm in gold long with 5 contracts. So it's kind of a bang up day today, down $570, something like that so far. But yeah, it's the day. Today is a day, Looking at the charts, looking at my stuff, like had I traded a little better, I could have been in a little better shape, but it's today is a red day basically. I'm trading a red day today. And I'm good with that. It's just when I trade a green day that I turn into a red day. I hate that. But today's a red day, so I accept it. And, it is what it is. It just means tomorrow will be that much easier, most likely. And this will be my last trade in the day. So if this doesn't work, I'm done for the day. Throwing in the towel, live to fight another day. It'll be kind of a big red day, but it's not that bad. Tomorrow, if I have, 3 or 4 winning trades, it'll erase this red day. And next week can get back on track. All right, I might just take this trade off right here. If this candle doesn't want to get going. All right,
Order submitted.
And that is not what we want.
Order canceled.
Okay, so I'm out of gold. Today's a day, just a red day. I made $70 on that trade, whatever it is, little recovery. So I'm going to finish the account. I'm down $278 in gold. That's an easy recovery tomorrow. Down $128 in the MYM. Again, easy recovery tomorrow. And $86 in the MNQ. From a psychological standpoint, I'm down $492 with my P&L in a day, which is, again, not a big deal. I still have $5,795 in my account, so I still feel really good about having a big enough buffer before rehab. So that won't affect me too much tomorrow either. But, even though I'm only down 492 in my P&L, I'm actually taking a $616 loss because of commissions. So again, commissions are very expensive in the micros, because if you're only making $50 a move, $100 a move, those commissions are expensive. You don't notice as much in the minis because you're making $400 or $500 a move, so it's not that big a deal. But yeah. So anyway, so that's how the day's gonna go. It's a red day. It's a red day. Slowly bleeding out today. Slowly bleeding out. Tomorrow's a new day. All right, everybody. See you on the next trade.